In this video, we'll show you how you can backup your authenticator data on your iPhone to the iCloud. So to do this, you don't need to do anything special. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your iPhone. Now head to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select your Apple ID at the top. Now go to iCloud and then scroll down and then tap on Save to iCloud. Here scroll all the way down and make sure that the Microsoft Authenticator toggle is turned on. That's it. Once you do this, your iPhone will automatically back up all the account codes on the Authenticator app to your iCloud. Now if you want to restore it later on the same iPhone or a different iPhone, all you have to do is head to the Settings app and then sign in with the same Apple ID. Once you have done that, you can download the Authenticator app from the App Store and all your accounts will reappear. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.